Hi everybody, it's John of Millinery and welcome back to my channel. Last week I showed you how I kind of made my September entry, and today I want to kind of just go through how I made the silk flowers. This isn't a tutorial, this is how you do it. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I just want to say thank you to Galelina and Silky Flora for helping me with this. They've answered questions. I have kind of morphed what both of them have said into this particular flower. So yeah, I have already gone ahead and I've cut out my petals, and now I'm about to start to paint the petals and all the things. So I'm doing a bit of testing at the moment to make sure the colours are correct. So join me on this journey while I start painting some petals. Before we go any further, if you already haven't, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on notifications to be notified when I put videos out in future. Make sure you comment what you think this flower is going to. Actually, you'll know what the flower looks like, so I don't even know why you would need to comment that. But comment down below if you was to do a silk flower, what colours would you use? I'm using like an ice blue, like very light pink and light ice blue, so that's what I'm using. Yeah, so make sure you check me out on our socials there on the screen now, and if you haven't already, check me out on Patreon as well. Thank you to Reggie, who is my ongoing Patreon supporter. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, let's crack on with this video. So yeah, I have finished testing, and the colours actually look really nice. Now these are very light. I'll put a little thing in now so you can see. They're very light, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint all of the petals with a base colour, such as this. I did attempt, I've got some Spectra alcohol markers, and I thought I'd give it a go with on the edge and see what that looks like. It just looks a bit dark and it doesn't sort of blend very well. In fact, not all. It kind of stays where it is. So I was hoping that I could maybe use that to add some shadows. Didn't work. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to paint all of them with the light colour, and then add some more of the ink or the paint or whatever it is, and then maybe go over in certain areas and darken some certain areas up. So I'm gonna crack on and I'm gonna get that done. So here's a little time lapse of me painting a lot of petals. Right, so all my petals have now been dried. I was like, do I do the darker shade now? But I think what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to start attaching the wires to some of them. So I have these 2 packets of wire. Now all my flower making supplies are from, I got them from Silky Flora, so we'll link them down below, and so you can actually see what I used. But yeah, so what I'm now going to do is I am now going to start attaching the wire to some of the larger petals for the outside. So I'm going to scooch you in closer so you can see everything, and let's crack on. Okay, so all my outer big petals are wired now. So I've got my medium and my small, and I also have like the centers as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start shaping these, because these are going to be the ones that are in the middle. So I want them to have like that crinkleness that it does with this. I'm not going to go into too much specifics like I haven't done with any of this, because, you know, this is a technique that somebody else makes money from, so make sure you go check them out. So I'm just going to show you me curling the petals. So I do have a damp cloth. This is clean, so I do have a damp cloth to put the petals in, just to soften them up a little bit before I go ahead and shape them. I have my tool here with this is a 3, I don't know if you can see that. Am I in focus? This is a 3, I'll put like a thing in it. So this is a 3-line chrysanthemum hook. So yeah, let's go ahead and start shaping some flowers. Petals, whatever they're called. Right, okay, so what I have done is I have gone ahead and culled all the feathers, and what I've done is I have, let me just make sure I get this in the shot. There we go. So what I've done is I've laid them out. So we're going to start with this. Can I? Yep. And then we're going to go with the small. So these are the smalls that have, come on, zoom in. There we go. These are the smalls that are curly. Then we go the smalls, no, then the medium that are a little bit more wilder. Medium that are curly. Large that are wilder. Large that are straighter, and then straight ones. So I think this will make sense. Actually, they need to switch. These need to switch, these two, because I want curly, and then straight, and then go back to curly. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to make one of these, and then I'll show you the next bit. Right, so I have been busy. My hair is a mess at the moment. Oh my god. I have been busy and I have one finished flower. So this took me quite a while, but it's not fully finished because I have to do this at the bottom. Hello, I was literally just filming.
Sorry?
I was literally just filming.
Oh, sorry. I had to text you to say it was all this time.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to rush.
Alright, would you want me to? I can be quiet for half a minute.
No. Well, I'll have to redo it tomorrow.
Sorry?
I'll have to redo it tomorrow. So you've probably seen from that clip, I was recording and I need to do this bit again today. So I actually did finish both of them because I thought, well, I might as well finish it and then I can use my time wisely. So what I'm about to show you now is how I assembled these lovely abstract chrysanthemums. I just love these so much. So let's roll that tape. So this was, well, it was not my, I have made a silk flower before, so I had like a very basic understanding of how to do it, but this was my second one, which was like a tester to see how it would work, and the colours I found were a bit too bright, so obviously then I've gone ahead and muted the colours and made them the size that I wanted. So this video will come after last week's video, so I'm about to now record the September video, so, but you will have already seen that. It's bizarre. Trying to record in advance is crazy because you're doing a lot of different things at the same time. But thank you very much for watching. This has been great. I am going to be doing a lot more silk flower making in my own work. Links to everything that I used is in the description box below, so make sure you check all that out. Make sure you check out Silky Flora and Galelina Flowers, who both helped me very much with basic questions. So thank you to those two. Check out your local silk flower maker, see if you can take some lessons. Once again, I haven't taken any lessons for the simple reason I do YouTube and I don't want to show anybody's work that they make money from. So if you are a silk flower maker, let me know in the comments down below. It'll be good to get your critique on how these turned out. But until then, thank you very much. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. It's linked in the description box below and it's on the screen now. Don't forget, I am on Patreon, so if you want to support me like Reggie, who has been one of my ongoing supporters of this channel, that is also in the description box below. There's tiers from just £1 per month, which is a hell of a lot cheaper than your daily cup of coffee. But until then, thank you. I will see you next week. I can't remember what I've got scheduled for next week because I'm recording this on the 20-something of June and this isn't going out until September. So I will see you then and I will see you next week. You have been great. I have been John. Love you lots. Bye.